Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily buy bonds on Charles Schwab. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Charles Schwab and log into your account by entering your login ID and password. Once you've entered your details, just click on the login button to access your account dashboard. After you are successfully logged in, move your mouse over to the trade section located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Bonds. This will take you to the Bonds and Fixed Income section where you can browse different investment options available through Schwab. Next, click on Find Bonds and Fixed Income. Once you are on that page, click on New Issues to see the latest Treasury securities currently being offered. In the Bond Type drop-down menu, select the category you're interested in, such as Treasury auctions or other available bond types. After selecting your preference, you'll be able to browse the available bond offerings. Now simply choose the bond you want to buy and click the Buy button next to it. Schwab will then show you a preview of your order so you can carefully review all the details before submitting. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Review Order to continue with the process and place your trade. One important thing to remember is that for new issue bonds, you need to place your order before the auction date. Once the auction closes, those bonds are no longer available for purchase. So it's always a good idea to check the auction schedule and act early. And that's basically all you need to do to successfully buy bonds on Schwab. These days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.